Teeth. Teeth. Morning. You are late now. You say you will go out, right? So. Okay. Let's go do makeup. Okay. Hello, welcome to Silver Personal Vlog. Now I'm gonna put the makeup for my friend's tea. She is my roommate, and now she just wake up. So I'm not a professional, and I just want to make up for fun, and I think it will be useful. Like some ladies and girls, they don't have a lot of makeup, right? Makeup set, so that like if you have just like foundations and makeup and eyeshadows, that's enough actually. So now I'm gonna do for her. Let's see. I don't know how. Let's start now. Firstly, I want to put this one. I forgot. This one is moisturization. So I will put for her. Then I'm gonna put this one we call foundation, and here has a concealer. So I don't have a spongy, so I will just use brush. When you put the brush, right, you have to pour from down to up, and so you will not have a wrinkle when you getting old. So now you can look up her face. Like sometimes one here maybe have a lot of makeups, and you have to make to balance. And mostly people they put makeup here too. So but I think maybe later. Maybe makeup powder is better. Then concealer. Now you can see most of her pimple now getting covered with the makeup. For me, I don't really like a thick and heavy makeup. Do you like heavy makeup?
No, I don't. I just want to.
Then we will put actually we have a Maybelline, and this one is Revlon, right? Her skin is white, and this is just a natural color, so it will match with her skin. Then I will make a...
No.
Actually, I'm so sorry. I'm too excited and I forgot to put toner.
Oh, no me. Because I put already.
Oh, okay. Then here, girls' favorite. Girls' favorite. Too many colors. So, what's your favorite color? I will choose this color. At first I see something like if you have a dark here and then you put with a lighting color first, and that seems like your skin color. Then, and I think I will cook for her. What color do you want to cook? I don't know your dress color, so
It's up to you, maybe pink or orange.
okay, I will mix with this color. This is the pink, and this is a kind of brick orange color. Then after, I want to use this one. It's like a sparkle, and it's like matte color. So I'm gonna use this, and I really like it. Okay, now I will make for this one. How do you call blushing? I don't know. Actually, for teenagers or young lady, I would recommend for this color. It's a peach color. It will make you young and So if you use like red brown or something, it will make you old. So after I put it right, and I still want to put this sparkle color, so that your skin will look like a glow skin. Yeah. So I would just recommend this one. This is kind of pinky, and if you use this one, it's really dark. You may notice that I didn't draw for nose or this shape, because I feel like she preferred natural style, so that I didn't do for that. Mostly if you have a party, and mostly people draw here a line and shape for V shape. Okay, then we still need to draw eyebrow. I choose a brown color. After I make eyebrow, and I prefer to use to put this one. And like people, if you don't have this one, it's still okay. Like at least you have Vaseline, so you can use it for that. And like for eyelashes also. For me, for lipstick, mostly I didn't use only one lipstick color. I mix it, and like color is good. Like sometimes we have a here dark, the outside all color. So that I will recommend you. This one is Maybelline. This is just a skin color, number 55.